I just spent $1,200 at Walmart buying every single tire brand they sell. The $59 Douglas Mystery Tires, the $120 Goodyear Reliance, and the $200 Premium Goodyears. Same size, same car. And I'm about to destroy all of them to find out if you're getting ripped off or getting a deal. Because here's what nobody's telling you. Walmart sells tires that cost 1/3 of what you'd pay at a tire shop, and people either swear by them or say they're death traps. So, which is it? Let me start with the one everyone asks about. Douglas tires. $59 each, $236 for a full set. And here's the thing that blew my mind. Douglas tires are made by Goodyear, not some sketchy factory in China, actual Goodyear at their Kelly Springfield plant in the USA. The DOT code on the sidewall proves it. So why are they so cheap? But before I answer that, I need to show you what happened when I brake tested them in the rain, because that's where cheap tires either prove themselves or fall apart completely. Douglas tires mounted, road soaked, 60 miles an hour. Braking now. 138 feet. Okay, that's not terrible. I was expecting way worse based on the reviews. Now let me swap to the Goodyear Reliance. These are Walmart's mid-tier option, $120 each, Walmart exclusive, made by Goodyear specifically for them. Same test, same road, same speed. 127 feet, 11 feet shorter than the Douglas. Interesting. These are almost double the price, but stopping 11 feet shorter. Is that worth it? Hold that thought, because I need to tell you about the premium Goodyears, the Assurance All Seasons. These are the same tires you'd buy at a tire shop, $200 each at Walmart, $300 at Discount Tire. Same brake test, 119 feet, 8 feet shorter than the Reliance, 19 feet shorter than the Douglas. So here's what we've got. Douglas stops in 138 feet for $236 total. Goodyear Assurance stops in 119 feet for $800 total. That's 19 feet for $564 more. Is that worth it? But wait, let me show you something that changes everything. The Douglas tires I bought were manufactured 22 months ago. They've been sitting in a warehouse. Walmart orders huge quantities and stores them, so you're not always getting fresh rubber. The Goodyear Reliance were made 9 months ago. Better, but still not fresh. The Assurance tires were made 6 weeks ago, brand new. And here's why that matters. Tire rubber degrades over time, even sitting on a shelf. The oils evaporate, the compound hardens. An old tire doesn't grip as well as a fresh one, even with full tread. So the Douglas tires might be cheap partly because they're old stock. You're saving money, but you're getting tires that are already a year or two into their lifespan. Now let's talk about what Douglas tires actually are, because people online say they're rebranded Goodyears. That's not exactly true. Douglas tires are made by Goodyear using older mold designs and cheaper rubber compounds. They're not the same as Goodyear branded tires. They're a budget line. Think of it like this. Same factory, same quality control, but older technology and lower grade materials. One guy on Reddit said his Douglas tires handled better than the Michelins that came on his Cadillac. Another guy said his went completely bald in 3 months. How is that possible? Here's what I think. Walmart sells Douglas tires at such low margins that they can't afford to be picky about manufacturing dates or quality control. You might get a great set from 2024, or you might get a sketchy set from 2022 that's been sitting in a hot warehouse. It's a gamble. Now, the Goodyear Reliance. These are interesting. They're Walmart exclusive. You can't buy them anywhere else. Goodyear makes them specifically for Walmart as a step up from Douglas, but cheaper than Assurance. And honestly, they're pretty good. I drove on them for 2 weeks. Dry handling was solid, wet traction was confident, noise was reasonable. They felt like normal tires. The catch? Tread wear warranty is only 45,000 miles. The Assurance tires have a 65,000-mile warranty, so the Reliance are going to wear out faster. Let me do the math. Reliance are $480 for the set, 45,000 miles. That's 1.07 cents per mile. Assurance tires are $800, 65,000 miles. That's 1.23 cents per mile. So the Reliants are actually cheaper per mile, even though they don't last as long. Barely. But here's where it gets tricky. Both of those warranties are basically worthless. You need perfect records, exact rotation intervals, perfect tire pressure. One mistake and they deny you. So really, you're comparing how long they actually last in the real world. And based on what I found online, the Douglas tires average about 30,000 miles. The Reliants average 45. The Assurance tires make it to around 60. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room. Installation quality. I've read horror stories about Walmart tire installation. Techs mounting tires backwards, forgetting to torque lug nuts, damaging TPMS sensors. But here's my experience. I had all 3 sets mounted at the same Walmart. Different days, different techs. The Douglas install was fine. Balanced correctly, torqued properly, no issues. The Reliant install? They mounted one tire inside out. It's an asymmetrical tire. There's a specific inside and outside, and they put it backwards. I caught it in the parking lot and made them fix it. But if I hadn't checked, I would have driven off with a backwards tire. The Assurance install was perfect, no problems. So installation quality is hit or miss. You need to check their work every single time. Here's what I learned about Walmart tires after testing all of them. Douglas tires are fine for basic transportation. If you drive a beater car, don't drive in bad weather, and just need something round, they'll work. But you're gambling on age and quality. Goodyear Reliants are the sweet spot. Good performance, decent price, made fresh. If you're on a budget but want something reliable, these are it. Goodyear Assurance tires are what you buy if you want the best. They stop shorter, they last longer, they're quieter, but you're paying almost double. So are Walmart tires worth it? Yes, if you buy the right ones. Skip the Douglas unless you're desperate. The age issue and quality inconsistency aren't worth the $60 savings. Buy the Goodyear Reliance. They're 90% as good as the Assurance for 60% of the price. That's the deal. And if you're buying premium Goodyears at Walmart, you're saving about $100 per set compared to a tire shop, so that's worth it too. Just check the manufacturing date. If the tires are more than a year old, ask for fresher ones or go somewhere else. And always inspect the installation before you leave. I mean it. Check that the tires are mounted correctly. Check the lug nut torque with your own wrench. Don't trust it. That's it. Walmart tires can be a great deal if you know what to buy. Douglas is a gamble. Goodyear Reliant is the smart choice. Assurance is the premium option. Drop a comment and tell me what Walmart tires you're running and how they've held up.